So it's very interesting because, there was a lot of talk over the last year around actually, we can trust employees and they're more productive now because they're at homes, they don't have the commute, as you said. And, there's a number of figures, I think it's up to 40% or more productive because they don't have that commute, they don't have those interruptions. However, more and more, if you read the more recent research, it is found that innovation has decreased and it's decreased by as much as 16%. And why is that? And productivity has actually been found to decrease as well, particularly on Mondays and Fridays, interestingly. But innovation needs a certain number of conditions to happen. And if you look at, there's a Stanford professor called Charles O'Reilly, and he talks about the 3 phases. And one is the ideation, as you mentioned. Then there's going to be the incubation, and then there's going to be the scaling. And the first phase of the innovation requires a small group of people who have a high trust, can work fast and iterate, ideas really quickly to work well together. And this is quite easy to do in your remote environment because, if you work with your close team, then it's fine. However, the next 2 stages in particular, require what this professor calls the social capital, the bridging social capital aspect, which is to connect outside of functions, outside of the boundaries of your immediate team. And what research has found over what happened last year is that with the remote working, you tend to connect more with your immediate colleagues, but maybe the connections were less mature and are not necessarily required right now in your project.